I now give the floor to His Excellency Mr. Bendito dos Santos Freitas, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation of Timor-Leste.
Thank you, Mr. President. Excellencies, Timor-Leste stands before you today as a nation evolved from conflict, firmly dedicated to the principles of peace, reconciliation, and development as outlined in the UN Charter. We acknowledge the urgent need for collective leadership to tackle the complex challenges threatening global peace and security. In our quest for stability and development, Timor-Leste has harnessed effective leadership based on dialogue, respect, and mutual understanding. Our path underscores the necessity of inclusivity in governance and broader peace-building efforts. We believe that sustainable peace is achievable when all stakeholders, including marginalized communities, women and youth, are actively involved in decision-making. Timor-Leste calls for a renewed dedication to the UN Charter, which emphasizes the respect for national sovereignty and the fundamental rights of every individual. Our experience underscores that upholding human rights and dignity is essential for enduring peace. We urge all nations to adopt these principles, ensuring their actions foster a secure future. In addressing contemporary threats such as terrorism, climate change, and pandemics, it is essential that we unite in our efforts and embody a collaborative spirit. Timor-Leste reiterates its commitment to the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, a framework that champions peace, stability, and shared prosperity. In closing, we urge all member states to take decisive action guided by the principles of the UN Charter. Together, let us lead with a vision that emphasizes peace, equity, and justice, paving the way for a secure future for generations ahead. Thank you, Mr. President.
I thank His Excellency Mr. Freitas for his statement.